Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Yes, sir. My Christian neighbor often cook pork in my hostel's kitchen. Sometimes it is difficult to know where she has touched or not. I do simply wash the sink and around the sink. I often forget to wash the gas lighter, and I don't wash the floor, the walls, the kitchen cabinet. Is my purity for prayers intact, sir?
You don't have to wash anything other than the utensils that were in contact with pork. No one washes the fireplace or the oven. No one washes the whole sink, because I'm not placing anything in the sink. I'm just washing normal things from the faucet. I'm not putting things in the sink. And if the sink, I can see traces of impurity, I wash it off. No one ever said you have to wash the walls or the windows, or all of this is whispers of shaitan. Najasa, you see it with your own eyes, you wash it off. You don't see it, it doesn't exist, and you're not obliged to do any of these things.
Sheikh, I have a question regarding madhi for females. Can we feel if madhi is discharging? If no, then how can I know if madhi is discharged or not? I check always after prayer. Sometimes I find something and sometimes I didn't find anything. Then how can I be sure?
The default is that normal people don't have prosthetic fluid or precum. And this is usually emitted or discharged when an individual has erotic fantasies or his desire is provoked. So if a person gets such thoughts and he feels that he emitted something, and he checks and he finds something that is out of the ordinary and the norm, in this case, this is considered to be madhi. But if you don't have any such erotic thoughts or desires, you should not check. Even if you feel something came out, you must not check. Ignore it, because this is Satan messing up with your head. And if you do have such erotic thoughts and or fantasies, and you emit something, and it looks out of the ordinary, you have to wash it or sprinkle water on it and perform wudu. But if not, and it's always your normal vaginal discharges or nothing at all, then you must not check and ignore these thoughts, and Allah knows best.